can try.
That's right. Right, ready? Steady. Do you think when we put that in there, is it going to explode up and hit the ceiling?
No.
No, is it just going to go blah, 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 and trickle down the edge?
No, I don't think
No?
so.
Oh, what do you think is going to happen?
I think it's going to go.
Oh. Okay. I think as soon as a drip touches it, it's going to go and the plate's going to explode and everything. You do? Yeah.
I think you might be right, Ellie. Whoa! That's so cool.
Wow.
Wow! That's a real volcano. It looks like lava, doesn't it?
Yay. It looks like it.
It does. It looks like a real volcano.
And the lava.
Yeah.
And the dinosaur coming up.
Oh,
There's a dinosaur.
Yeah. Well done, Daddy.
Wow, isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Wow, well, it didn't do what I thought it was going to do.
No, it didn't break the plate, that's for sure.
Yeah. Cool, high five.
Can you hear the sound it's making?
High five.
Can you hear the sound, Manny? Fizzing.
Yeah.
I want to do it again.